Good Sunday afternoon, everyone. My goodness. We are approaching the end of the planting marathon here from this morning. Just in the nick of time. According to Maine Organics, I am a day early, but I cannot wait as work starts tomorrow. And speaking of work, not even remotely done planting. This is the direct sow pile. Now all I do is wait. Still pretty early. That's what that garden's for. This. And I do have these still to plant. Ground cherries are kind of a forgotten plant. They're kind of like gooseberries, husk cherries, all in that kind of pineapple-y tomato. Gonna plant some for friends and get some in the garden. I hear these can be crazy, so I'll be careful with them. I'm very excited to grow them, though. I'm very excited to do old-timey, self-sustaining food. But not yet, because this is the least gross it's been in Maine today, so let's go outside. Timing on this is pretty good. The birds have migrated in, and they're using this as a breeding ground, and I need to stop coming out here and stop going back to the beaver and let them breed, right? Every time they fly away. I don't want that to happen. I want them to hang out here, so, which is fine. I've got to focus on up there anyways. And as I learned last year, sitting there with the sunset hitting the lake is the lake. Listen to me hitting this puddle. Let me put myself in place. Good Lord. Anyways, Mr. Big Britches over here can see the sunset in this. I don't know if I got that, but that was like. So as I was saying, let's go. I hope you have a great Sunday, everyone. Really? You didn't? Oh, I think that's 2 males and a female. Love is in the air. Water's getting high. I'm not too worried. We can get to there. I've seen it get to there. See how it flows. You got that on both sides. This is pretty well taken care of. We got water coming in here now. That's it. I will update you when I